What the heck? Yes.
Ngayon natapos na ang taping at palabas na ang buong series ng Can't Buy Me Love, pwede ko nang i-share ang mga behind the scenes of one of the shooting days kung saan gumanap ako as Ryan Tanhueco, na father ni Stephen. This was during the engagement dinner and talagang totoong catered food ang in-enjoy namin that night. Actually, nauna ang shooting ng wedding nung umaga at hapon. On the way to our son's wedding,
Yeah.
that's Yen Moon Hilaurel playing my wife. The location was in a very old church in Makati. Walang aircon. This was at the peak of summer kaya napakainit and the cast had to wear suits and gowns.
Ganda ng mga cast eh.
Hi! We're surviving.
In between takes, nasa harap kami lahat ng electric fan.
Whoever thought that shooting is glamorous?
No. No. No, I think it's just the location because
Otherwise,
we're in a heat index, we're in the Philippines.
and we are suited up.
Yes.
Look at that. That's life. Ang kasalan,
Yes.
abangan, magaganap ba?
Kakanap kayo.
Are you know?